A dam on a Norwegian river partly collapsed after heavy rain on Wednesday, sending water gushing through a wide gap in the structure, and the Prime Minister said the country should be prepared for more floods in the coming days. The Braskereidfoss power dam on the Glomma River, Norway's biggest waterway, was unable to open its hatches after its control room flooded. Norway has evacuated more than 3,000 people this week as rivers swelled to their highest levels in at least 50 years, and homes and businesses have been submerged or swept away by landslides. Main roads were closed and train services suspended across wide parts of southern Norway as rivers breached their banks, and authorities warned of more flooding to come in the days ahead as the water moves towards lower-lying coastal regions. Water levels at the Braskereidfoss Dam later subsided, flowing in a controlled manner and avoiding major downstream flooding, a police spokesperson said. Police earlier considered blowing one of the 45-year-old dam's hatches to help relieve the water pressure, but decided not to as the explosion would have been difficult to control.
So, the road authorities have now declared this road closed. There are still some cars allowed to drive here because kids in kindergarten and stuff like that, so at least one parent can be with them. And also we have some of the guys working to try and fill up some of the holes so that the road isn't completely taken by nature. Because as you see here, it's quite strong, and